rappers putting this down with licks, slipping and bragging. They make it, they take it, they flip it, they whip it to get paid. You name it, they cock it, they aim it, they bang it, they stay. Lil Jizzle and Luda, let's do this, let's show the world they clueless. We got more haters than Judas, but them little bitches can't fool us. Lil Jon, bet that up, let's show the world that we don't give a fuck. Turn down for what? Turn down for what? Turn down for what? Turn down for what? Turn down for what?
Only for some bad bitches when the club closed. Whole VIP trunk full of drug hoes and fireworks of unlimited booze. Need my dollars in ones and my women in twos. Three's company and skip all the folk plays. I say, where you going? They say both ways. They might act hard, but that ass off, mouth magic. So I tricked off. Poof, I'm a magician and on a mission to have your women kissing and missing up in the new edition. And I ain't talking about Ronnie, Bobby, Ricky, your Mike, but Maseratis and them Bugattis by the end of the night. They say they want a cocktail with a twist in it. They like the black power, I put a fist in it. Ludacris, I'm a sucker for a big butt. All up in the club screaming.